we are out here on another diagnostic. Of course, we're in the vet. I think this is the one here, but I'm not gonna get too close to it because I'm not really
Alfa
Romeo, however you want to say it, is the ETC code. I mean, this is a little bit fancy for me. These check engine lights in the Alfa Romeo. There it goes. He's gonna pull it straight off. Here. Turn the key in accessory. We're gonna rotate the wheel all the way one way. That's how this thing is smacks hard. All the way this way. Then back to the center. Alright. Look at this down here, sizzling. Alright, so we're actually able to see here where this coolant reservoir, this one's full. We saw that the car was overheating. This is also a cooling reservoir, as you can see. This bad boy is empty, and I heard a noise coming from this area, almost like a sizzling noise, and we can see that it's leaking out of right here. Understand is I gotta come to Alfa Romeo to get a Mopar part, although Mopar is Dodge. It don't make any freaking sense whatsoever to me. What's going on, brother? No, where's the parts department at?
Parts department is down here. I believe they're gonna close soon. So if you
I
catch
got
up
like
quickly,
4 minutes, don't I? Okay. Where you say the far?
yeah, you see the bay door?
I do.
Where it says parts.
Okay.
Just get in there as quick as you
Gotcha.
can. Before they-
Appreciate you, sir. Of course. I knew I only had like 4 minutes. Do I walk around that way? Do I walk around? Which way I go to, brother?
What?
Which way do I go? This way? For parts. You coming through here? Oh, okay.
It's just going to be, I'm not sure if Matt's still there, to be honest. We're just about close enough.
Oh, okay.
But you can try to see
It's worth a shot,
if
ain't it?
he's right to the right.
Okay. Appreciate you, sir. You talking about in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see. Oh, I got 2 minutes. Daily endeavors. Oh. Boom. Crap, I didn't even know this was in here. I appreciate you, sir.
What you looking for?
Yep, that is exactly what I needed, bro. Alright, so we got what we need. The nick of time. I got a Mopar part that's for an Alfa Romeo, and they don't sell it at Dodge, although it's Mopar, and it's different than Fiat, but it's Mopar. You just gotta love the way the C4 looks when you walk up on it, you know. Had to take the top off because my freaking top started tripping on me. The old schools is gonna be where it is. I even like these models of the Mercedes, the C300, but just know what this is about. It's about the Alfa Romeo. So you're gonna have to get you some of these right here. If you don't have some of these, then you're not going to be able to do this method. I'm recording. Alright, you're going to need your flat and a hammer, right? Using a flat and a hammer on the Alpha. Well, that's what you do. Lord, please forgive me because I'll turn my back on you. There it is. I got it down there. I got my wrench on. Boys, max empty. How you can tell empty it is, you put a light in from the top. Look, it ain't even. That's not good at all.